Hello, I'm narrator 2. Hello, I'm Wolf 1.
Hello, I'm Wolf 2.
Hello, I'm the Sophie. Hello, I'm narrator. Hello, I'm taking number 2. Hello, I'm Helen. Hello, I'm number 6. Hello, I'm Declan. Hello, I'm the little kid number 7. Hello, I'm the mommy dog.
Once upon a time, there was Mommy Goat and the Shiny the King. One day, Mommy went to the forest to get some food, and she said, Little kid, come here. Listen to me, little chicken. I'm going to the forest to get some food. Now open the door, because the big bad wolf I'm going to eat you. He's got a grass and black feet.
Okay, Mommy. No worry, we won't open the door. Open it up, dear children. It's your mother. I want something delicious for each one of you. No, no, no. We won't open the door. You are not our mother. Our mother has a sweet, harsh voice, and your voice is rough. You are the big bad wolf. Away, away, Wolfie! What can I do? Let me think. I went.
So the wolf went to the shop to buy some chocolate.
Hello, can I help you? Yes, I want a packet of chalk. White chalk or color chalk? White chalk. I'm hungry. Here you are. €2. Right. Open the door, dear children.